Hello everyone, today I want to talk about NeuroRise hearing support formula. A revolutionary product designed to help people with hearing loss feel better and regain hearing independence. Hearing loss is now a common problem that affects millions of people around the world. It can be caused by various factors such as age, exposure to loud noises, or genetic predisposition. Regardless of the cause, hearing loss can have a significant impact not only on quality of life, but also on communication skills. NeuroRise is a unique blend of natural ingredients that work together to support healthy hearing. It contains niacinamide, which helps maintain the health of the nervous system and supports hearing function. It also contains lemon balm, ginkgo biloba, and B-complex vitamins that have been scientifically proven to help with hearing health. One of the key benefits of NeuroRise is that it is a non-invasive and natural way to promote hearing health. It is easy to take and can be combined with other hearing care products such as hearing aids to provide a more comprehensive solution. In conclusion, NeuroRise hearing support formula is a fantastic product that can help people with hearing loss feel better and regain their independence. Its natural ingredients work together to support hearing health, making it a safe and effective choice for those looking to improve their hearing abilities. Try it if you are someone with hearing loss and see the difference it can make in your everyday life.